The License Manager page allows you to view and modify the device licenses that have been generated for your account. What you see on this page will vary based on what you have active. On this account we're looking at today, the QuickBooks plugin is available as well as mobile devices. I see no licenses under QuickBooks, but if I go under mobile devices, I see that I have one device with a license number and a time when it was added. This was generated by our mobile application, iProcess, and here we'll show the nickname, the license, and when this was added. If I want to look at my deleted licenses, I can click this link here, and that'll show other licenses that were removed. In this case, this was the same device nickname with the same device license number, but it was removed numerous times before. If I wanted to remove the current one, I can hit the trash can icon here. We'll confirm that you actually want to remove it. I'll hit OK. And there we go, it's been removed. And we'll show that one on this list as well, including the time it was added, as well as when it was deleted.